Okay. Let's open the toy.
Let's open now. No, don't keep them. Well, that was a come back. Oh no. Where's Sarah?
Yeah, so we put it like that.
But where's the lid? Where's lid? I can't find lid. This lid is fluffy. What the? Wait, no. Go away. Oh.
Okay, so which color you want to start first?
Brown. 3 bears.
Okay,
3.
good job. That's the brown.
Can I have one type of the bear? Can I have one bear?
Music licensing.
Hey, this. Oh. Alright. Oh, my mom's this woman. Nothing.
Yeah, good job.
Can I have one at a time?
Okay, so how many bears?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1.
Now, can you find the numbers for the bear?
2.
Can you find the numbers for the bear? Can you find the numbers of the bear? That's good. Where's the number for the bear?
This.
Oh, good job.
Oh
Okay, can you put it together? Hey, good job. Yeah, what color you want to do next?
no. Orange.
Orange, 好的. Okay.
Oh, there's one orange. Oh, I don't need to turn it around.
不用turn around. You can do it.
Thank you. No.
好了。
No.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got it. It's over here. If I have one at a time.
对。
Almost there.
Good job.
Have one at a time.
Artlist.io.
Oh, I see. What?
Where is? Yeah, good job.
Music
the last
licensing
Cabin?
reimagined.
Yeah. Yeah. How many squirrel here?
Kind of 3. Yeah.
How many orange here?
1, 2, 3, 5. Oh,
7,
oh,
8,
can't sail back.
9, 10. So can you find the number 10? Can you find the number 10? Good job. Now we put it next to the squirrel. Oh, good job. Okay. Now what's the color you want to do next?
Have a house. Have a house.
Music licensing reimagined.
Mama, I need a house. I need a house, okay? This is where.
Okay, what color you want to do next?
The bus. I want the bus.
Okay. And where's the bird?
Artlist.io.
Where's the bird go?
Right here. He's running around the house in a red bag. Hi, buddy. He went to the squirrel. Yeah, and only one was a killer too.
Music
Only
licensing
owl.
reimagined.
Buddy, hop, 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 hop.
Okay, you still have some color left.
Flowers. And a tree. Mushroom. I'm playing them, remember? I just want to play with them.
Okay, those 2 trees, right? So can you find the number 2?
Two.
Yeah, where's the number 2
Oh no!
for the trees?
Two.
Aye, good job. That's number 2. Okay,
Music
what color
licensing
next?
reimagined.
Which one you want to do next? A bird? Okay, now can you put a bird in the ring?
Yeah. No. Thanks for
Artlist.io.
saving us.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, where's the next one go?
Hey, you can look. Now look at the table. Look at on the table.
Music
Look on the
licensing
table.
reimagined.
On the table. Hey, good job.
Oh, right. It's magic.
It's magic. How many birds on the ring? Uh-huh. Good job. Okay, so what color next? You want to do the flowers? Okay.
Lots of flowers.
Lots of flowers.
If I need to do them,
Artlist.io.
I love flowers.
Mhm.
And I love birds. Cat the bird. Just have one bird. Have a fox.
Mhm.
Pet fox. This is cutest. No kitties.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah.
Help me with
all
the
the
owls.
owl. Yeah.
Help me with the owls.
Yeah. So, see, we're almost done. All the owl 是吧？ Good job. Now, what's the next color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
What is yellow? Two yellow. Two yellow.
Mhm. And that number, okay, good job. 4.
Four. Let's go.
And then the last 2,
It's three.
3. Hey.
And with this,
对啊 where's this?
bye bye and see you next time.